This video is done as a part of project assignment for seismic design of building as per the online course of the Skyfi Lab. So, so we can open the last saved file building. Okay. Okay. So to define the seismic load, go to define load patterns. Oh, sorry. Since the analysis is completed in this model, the model is locked. Please unlock the model. Then go to define load patterns. Write seismic seismic. Then the code can be selected as IES 893 1893. Okay, 1893 2002. Add the load case, then go to modify lateral loads. So the direction X and Y is selected. Can unselect the other. Since the eccentricity is not given, we are not giving the value. Storing range is same. Then we want to select these values as per the code. So we can open the code. Yeah. First one is zone factor. So zone factor, go to page number 5. Okay. Okay. Our city is Bangalore, which comes under zone number 2. So we can Okay. For zone number 2, the value of comes under for zone number 2, the value of z is 0.1. So select the value of zone factor as 0.1. Then site time, again site type, site type is for rock it is type 1, medium soil type 2, and soft soil is type 3. We are considering it as medium soil, so we can select it as type 2. Now we can go for the importance factor. Importance factor, yeah, importance factor for community buildings it is 1.5. For resident, for other buildings like residential buildings it is 1. So select it as 1. Then we want to type the response reduction factor. For response reduction factor, we can go to table number 7, ordinary RC moment resistant frame. That is our frame. The response reduction factor is 3. So type the value as 3. Then click OK. You can also click OK. Okay. Now we had defined the load cases. Now we want to define the load combinations. So here it is defined for wind as well as for seismic. The load combinations are defined. So we don't want to go for add default design combinations. Click on OK. Okay. Now we had defined the load cases. So now we can go to analysis. For seismic analysis, we don't want to select the phases. So go to analysis, set load cases to run. Here we don't want the wind case to be run. So change it to do not run. Then click run now. It takes some time. Yeah, you will get the displacement values. To get the other values, you can go to display forces and stress frame. You can click any other and the loads for dead or live. Click on apply, click on OK. You will get other values too. Now we can go to design, concrete frame design. Just check whether the code is IS code itself. It is IS code. So click on OK. Again, go to design, concrete frame design, start or check design. Okay. Uh, yeah, we had not deleted the wind load condition, that's why. It takes some time. Okay, the reinforcement details are shown here. You can right click to get the details. Uh, you can check whether all the members has been passed the design from here, have passed the design, so click OK. Now go to reports, project report or summary report. You will get summary report of the structural data, load cases, analysis results, everything from the report. Since it is an evaluation version, we cannot export this file. Okay, now we can go for response spectrum analysis. So just check in define load cases, sorry, define load patterns. Seismic is added according to our condition x and y direction. This is done as per Bangalore details according to the code, so it's fine. Click on OK. Now go to define functions, response spectrum, select this as IS 1893 2002, add new function, write it as response spectrum. Then seismic zone factor was founded as for Bangalore it was 1. For Bangalore the zone is 2, so yeah, seismic zone factor is 0.1, so substitute 0.1. Soil type as 2. For medium soil it is 2. Then function dumping is okay. Near it, yeah, that's all. Click on OK. Click on OK. Now go to define load cases, add new case, response spectrum, response spectrum, click on add. So you want to find the scale factor. Before finding the scale factor, we should check the unit of the scale factor equation is Ig by 2R, where I is the importance factor, R is the response reduction factor, and G is the acceleration due to gravity. So substituting the values. So to substitute the value, we should know the unit of the acceleration due to gravity. Here we got 16335. Can substitute it. 1633.5. Again add, name it as U2. Here also 1633.5 SRS. Click on OK. Click on OK. To check the unit, just click on display unit. So the acceleration, yeah, acceleration is in meter per second square, so mm per second square. So the substitution was correct, right? Substitution was correct. So it's fine. Just close it. Then we can go to analyze, set load cases. Here we don't want the dead load and live load to run. So just click it as do not run. The other two as run. So click on run now. So the displacement values are shown here. See, the maximum is also given. Okay, next we can go to design, concrete frame design. Just check the code size itself. So click on OK. Again go to design, concrete frame design, start or check design. Click on OK. take into time. Uh, Sorry, I had done a mistake. Go to define, uh, load cases, response spectrum, modo showcase. Here I combination method was CQ. I changed it to SRS, and here the I forgot to select the response spectrum. So changing it and clicking on OK. Clicking on OK. Going to analysis, set load cases, run. Clicking run now. Now going to design concrete frame design. Start or check design. Going to design, concrete frame design, start or check design. Okay. I had paused the video for some time since the designing is taking too lot of time. Okay, now we can check whether all the members has been passed, all the frames has been passed the design check. So click on OK. Now as before, from reports and summary reports, you will get the report. You can get the structural load, combination load cases, everything from that. Now we can go for time history analysis. Just unlock the model. Just unlock the model, then go to define load patterns, select the seismic load, go to modify lateral load. In this case only x direction is enough, so select the x, other things are same as before. Click on OK. Click on OK as well. Now go to define, go to functions, time history, select it as from file, click as add new function, time history, browse, click on OK. Okay, type in the headline as 9 and number of points per line as number of points per line as 1. So again time history, click on OK. we name as time history. Name as time history and click on OK. Click on OK. Now again go to define load cases. We can delete this response spectrum case and we can add new case, time history has time history. Mm, add add click here as time history, load name as seismic, load pattern as acceleration u1, scale factor as find out before 16335, 1633.5. Since it is only in one direction, u1 is enough. Click on OK. Click on OK. Then go to analysis, set load cases to run, time history and seismic and model. Okay, then click on run now. You will get the displacement values at each point. Now we can go to design, concrete frame design. Just view the, it is IS 456. So click on OK. Again go to design, concrete frame design, start or check design. Okay. Okay, the design has been completed, so we can check in design, concrete frame design, verify all members. All concrete frame has passed the design check. Click on OK. While clicking here, you will get the reinforcement details of each frames at top and bottom. You can right click on any frame, so it will shows the properties of that frame member. And in reports, if you take summary reports, you will get the details of summary. Then by completing the project of seismic design, thank you.